Morning, friends. Morning, friends. Today, I would like to give some details about the Bank Nifty option trading. How to use volume theory in entering call option, buying or selling call option. So everyone are aware about this, and they want to know how to utilize the market. So the margins are very high. People are not having that much fun to give margin and take futures and trade. So they want to take some options and trade. So buying an option is always risky because we are paying a lot of premium and the decay is very fast. In Bank Nifty, we have weekly options and monthly options. So we should know how to enter and when to enter the call or put options. And we can't just depend on the chart or the price. We should see the volume also along with the price action, because volume is also an important uh, important criteria to analyze the price action. So my view is we should give more importance for the volume theory. Now I would like to share you certain things how volumes are very important, because every day lot of people uh, enter trades. They buy call, sometimes they buy put. So they don't know the target. They don't know how to use the market. They just simply buy call or put based upon the premiums. Now I would like to give a small information which strike rate we should buy, call option or put option. For example, if you feel today the market will go up, you should try it on the first day of the weekly expiry, that is on Friday. You should try to buy 3 strike rate out of the money call option. For example, if at the money is 33,000, you should try to buy 33,300 call option on the first day of the expiry, that is on Friday. And on Monday, you should buy 2 strike rate out of the money call option. And on the third day, that is on Tuesday, it should be one strike rate above the at the money. So on Wednesday, you should try to take questions at the money, call option at the money. And on Thursday, you should buy one in the money, one strike rate in the money call option to get a very good result. So this type of planning you should have before you buy a call or put. Most of them we buy call 1,000 points above, 10 strike rates above the at the money, the spot, and we don't get big returns. And by closing any market down by 10-20 points, the premium decay will be very high. So I request, first of all, you plan either you are going to take it as an intraday or a holding position. In my view, intraday trading option is the best gift what we got in the trading history, because the investment is very less, and the profit for the investment, return on investment, is also very high. For example, if you buy any option for 10,000, if you sell 20 points higher, you get 500 rupees profit. So 500 rupees for 10,000 is 5%. So it is a very good, decent return, but we should try to utilize it in a better way for the long-term profit, or long-time success like that. Now I would like to give some certain details about the volume theory, how volume will give little bit confidence in our entries. 1 minute. Friends, now actually we should do a lot of homework. Without doing any homework, we will not get any answers. For example, here in this Excel, I had copied all the Bank Nifty contracts from 2019, February 2020, from January 20 22 update. So here I got all the details about the daily contract details. I mean high, low, close, volume, turnover, like that. What is the volume, everything. Now here I added one more thing as ATP, that is VWAP, weighted average of that particular day. This means total turnover divided by number of shares. So we'll get the average price of that particular day, ATP. So we should know the ATP first. Every day we should have a note on that. And we should see the volume activities, how it is going to happen. Now volume activities is very much important, because here everyday average volume is around 25 to 30 lakhs in Bank Nifty. But last year in February, when before the coronavirus impact, the volume spiked to 45 lakhs, 50 lakhs, the daily turnover, I mean daily volume in Bank Nifty. And on 12th of March, total volume was 84 lakhs. See, usually per day volume is around 30 lakhs to 32 lakhs. Here I have given the average volume. So 36 lakhs is the average volume for Bank Nifty for the whole day. But whereas this pandemic time, the volume at...
Sir, are you sharing the screen?
Yeah, screen only. You can't see it?
Yeah, I'm not able to see the screen, sir.
1 minute. Huh? Huh? Can you see, sir? 1 minute. Some screen is paused. It's giving. Can you see, sir? No? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Now, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now, actually, what I'm coming to tell is, lot of us, everyone, we sit in front of the screen for the whole day, and we know what is the target for today and what is the target for tomorrow. No one knows it. But now, when we see certain calculations, how it is happening, what is the mindset of the people, traders, how many of them are into the trade yesterday, today, day before yesterday. So all these things will give some clear ideas. In this screen, can you see the volume now? This one is can you see the volume?
Yes, sir.
1 minute. See, for example, on 19th of March and on 12th of March, the total volume is 84 lakhs on that day. Okay? Hello? So, whenever,
yes, sir. Okay.
Whenever the volumes are high, the high-low difference is also very high. Here it is 1,963 rupees high-low for that day. That particular day, high-low is 1,900. Whereas whenever the volume is around 30 lakhs, the high-low is around 300 rupees. Here it is 29. Here it is 281 rupees high-low. Here is 31 lakhs, 399. 27 lakhs, 288. Okay. Here it is 52 lakhs and 358. 57 lakhs, 500 points high-low difference. But here on this day, 84 lakhs high-low difference is 2,400 points. And whenever this type of volume is happening, the high-low difference will be very, very high. So that means somebody who had entered the market expecting a 300 points move, it may move 1,500 points also on that day. if he is very aware about the volume, he will be getting better result than anybody else. Usually what we do every day, if the, when we see the bank nifty is up 500 points, we'll sell. Okay, anyhow it will come down. But we will fail to watch the volume. If the volumes are high, that day high-low difference will be more than 800 points, 1000 points or 1500 points. Here again 83 lakhs volume, high-low difference is 1200. So whenever this is happening, we should see the closing rate. For example, now what I am coming to tell is on 19th of March, the volume was 82 lakhs, high-low difference 2100 rupees. And on 20th of March, volume was 83 lakhs, high-low difference was 1715. Okay, so whenever the volume is more than 80 lakhs or 75 lakhs, the high-low difference will be more than 1500 to 1200 points or 800 points, something like that. Now for your information, on 23rd of March, the total volume traded was only 40 lakhs. On that day, high-low difference was 2400 points. So this high-low is artificial. For 40 lakhs, the high-low difference must be maximum 600 points or 800 points. But this day, it was 2458 points. So here we can see, I'm just you can see the numbers.
Yes, sir, we can see.
Yeah. So in this day, the volumes are very less, whereas the high-low difference is very high, 2400 points. So previous day closing was 20,294 and this day closing was 16,881. On that day, low was 16,741. Okay. So that means almost 3,000 points down from the previous day, but the volume was very less. So this gives a clear-cut view the downtrend is over because rates are coming down with very low volumes. So usually if 3,000 points move, the total volume must be 90 lakhs or 1 crore or 1 lakh, 1 crore 20, something like that. But whereas here it is, just 1 minute. Here it is just 40 lakhs only. Got my point? So that means the downtrend happened here is not reality. Very less people sold and the down was with very thin volume. That is why from 16,881, next day it went to 16,900 and the day after it went to 18,500 and 19,500. So 3,000 points up in a matter of 3 days. Because market came down from 27,000 or 30,000 to these levels. And here the downtrend is arrested because of the low volume and the range was very high. So this is also giving a small indication. This is the place where we should try to buy a call option. Whenever the rates are falling with the very huge high-low difference, we should try to buy the call option. So this is a clear-cut indication that downtrend is arrested on 23rd March and immediately it went up to 20,300 was the high in 3 days from 23rd to 26th. So almost 4,000 points up in a matter of 3 days. So whenever the market is coming down with a huge volume, we can expect some more downside. Whenever the volumes are very less and the fall is very high. So here in my theory, once again, I'll explain my theory. My theory is velocity, elasticity, and gravity. That is VEG, wedge theory. My theory is wedge theory. In this wedge theory, the velocity is very fast. The elasticity means it is nothing but how much it can move in a day with this much of volume. So 40 lakhs volume, the move must be, the elasticity means high-low difference must be not more than 800 points or 1000 points. Whereas here it was 3000 points, 2300 to 3000 points. That means it is very artificial. So we can expect a bounce back. Whenever the fall is very high with a very low volume, the bounce back will be very fast. This happened here. So every day we'll get some clue. That is why we should take all the data. You take the data from bow copy from the NSE for all contracts. You take the volume, you see the high-low difference, you see from ATP, average trade price, and you see where it goes. If it's closing above the average trading price, next day it will move up. If it is closing below the average traded price, it will next day it will come down. This is one small criteria. And another criteria, whenever the market is closing far above the average traded price, suppose today's average is 34,000 and market closes.
Sir, please,
yeah.
Sir, please repeat this sentence, sir. Please repeat.
Yeah. So whenever, see, for example, today market is closing at 34,250 yesterday, for example. Yesterday closing rate was 34,150. But ATP on Thursday, it was 33,850. So 300 points above the average closing rate. Okay. That means tomorrow, I mean on Monday, definitely we can expect a 200-point correction. At least 200 points correction. That means Monday low will be definitely at least once below 33,950 levels for sure. Because volumes are very less, so we can expect a correction. And one more thing is in futures, yesterday the premium, previous day it was 180 points and yesterday the closing premium was 270 points. So almost 80 points premium had been increased. So I expect a correction in Bank Nifty futures on Monday. So at least 34,940 or 950 levels will be definitely breached on that day, on Monday. So once we know all these things, we'll be having a very cautious steps either to buy a call or a put. See, suppose yesterday closing was at high, everyone will try to buy a call option to get more profit. But 3 trading days, 3 days we are losing. I mean, Friday is the holiday, Saturday, Sunday. So 3 days gone. That means the decay on Monday will be very high. For any call option, if it is 400 closing yesterday at the money, Monday it will be around 340 rupees only. 60 rupees decay will be happening on that day. So if you know at least 200 points down from there, definitely you will not buy a call option in the closing. So we should try to understand all these things. This volume theory, it's not, you can't learn it in a day or two, but it is a very important thing which will give more and more clarification for our entries. See, I had been taking all this, I have data for more than 10 years. Every month I used to take the contract and see how things are happening. So wider range we can do like this. Same thing we have to take for intraday also. So intraday also, there is a pattern where we can identify either we should buy a call or we should avoid buying. Okay. One minute. So here, this one is intraday details. Can you see this Excel? Excel, it's not coming. Excel. Hello. So here, this one is particularly for the intraday. Can you see the screen, sir? I mean Excel. Hello.
Yes, we can see.
Yeah. Here I had taken the 5 minutes high-low difference, volume, everything for intraday. You forget about the day, and we should know only one thing: how much Bank Nifty can move in a day. So if we come to know that 500 points is the maximum move, if already 400 points up, only 100 points potential is there. So try to avoid buying a call. Even if it breaks the high, if it is trading near the high also, you can avoid the call. And one more thing, it is having a very, very important magnetic point that usually we tell us ATP, average. So for example, Bank Nifty at any point of time from the average on that particular time, it won't go more than 300 points. Okay. And if it's going 300 points, definitely it will correct 150 points or 170 points. So this happens most of the times. Here in this, I have given the ATP. I mean, here the average trade price continuously for as per the thing. Here, this is the difference between the ATP and the LTP. LTP is the last traded price. So here, 338 points above the ATP. For example, yesterday's at that particular time, 11:45 closing was 23,730. Average was 24,068. So 338 points below the average price. So as I told you, usually Bank Nifty will not move more than 300 to 350 points. And if it's going to that level, it will correct at least 100 to 150 points. So here the difference is 338 at this time frame, 11:45 time frame. So I ask everyone to buy at this level because 350 is the maximum elasticity level from the average. That is what I identified with doing a lot of back testing, all those things. So once you enter a buy here, 23,730 levels, that means you might buy some call option, 23,800 call or 23,700 call at the money, whatever it is, that is up to you. Once you buy that, the difference is coming down. So we will get a profit, high is 23,900. So 23,920 is the high. So almost we are getting 200 points move in Bank Nifty. 200 points move means at the money will give 50% of the move, that is 100 points profit. So once you know these type of entries, you can make use of this either to buy a call or put. Most of them, whenever the markets are going down, they try to buy a put. They don't see whether it is far away from the average or below average or above average. What is the day's trend? Everything they will forget. And they will be getting caught in that. But we should have some theoretical approach for the move. So here also, in this 250 points from the 24,590 is the closing rate. Average price is 24,341. So 250 points above the average. So now you should try to buy a put, 24,600 put or whatever it is. So we can expect 100 to 150 points correction from 24,590. In just a matter of 10 minutes, it came to 24,500. Then little bit it was oscillating around those level. Then 24,887. So here, in a matter of half an hour or 20 minutes, we are getting 100 points move in Bank Nifty. That means 50 points in at the money put profit. Now we can tell one thing, most of the writers are getting profit. Call writers are getting more profit. They enter the market and they sell far out of the money, 20 points or 30 points premium. That 30 points DK only they want to try to utilize. Here, if you analyze all these things, this 100 points move easily we can identify. And this out of this 100 points in options, we'll get 50 points. Even if we get 15 to 20 points in one entry, every day we'll get at least 3 to 4 entries. So easily we can utilize the move once you watch the volume activities and the average prices activities. So my view is everyone or sitting in front of the screen, giving a lot of pain and workings and all those things. We keep 10 to 20,000 graphs and this thing and that thing. But here I am not watching any graph or anything. I just see the volume activities and come to a conclusion how we can utilize it. So my request is this approach is completely different from others' view. Even I get indicators, I use indicators and I can also trade with RSI or MACD or whatever it is. But those things give 50-50 success or 55% success and 45% failures. Here we get more than 75% success once we analyze what will be the range for the day, how much can a bank nifty move from its weighted average, how much bank nifty can move if the volume is 30 lakhs, how much the bank nifty can move if the volume is 2 crores. So this type of things we have to analyze, which will give very, very clear in our entries or whatever it is. So now everyone have a different approach. Mine is 100% different. Without seeing any chart or anything, we can come to a conclusion whether to enter a call or put like that. Okay. Anybody have any doubts or something? Can question me. Hello? Friends?
Sir, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, tell me.
You have recorded the session, sir. I missed the first half actually.
Okay.
Sir.
It's actually very simple things. What most of us don't do that. But I am giving, you should watch all the activities, particularly the volume activities and the weighted average of that particular day. Weighted average or ATP, average trade price, these are used to tell volume weighted average price. So these things will give some clear idea. The two, in the coming future, the margins are very high. So only way to trade is taking an option. So once we try to take an option, the decay will be very high. So after the decay also we should come out with profit, means we should identify all these things. So how much from the average the price can move. For example, at 12 o'clock, if the weighted average of, here you can see the numbers.
Yes, sir.
25,110 is the closing price. That particular time weighted average is 24,471. So that means this is 360 rupees below the weighted average of that particular time. That means it had maximum extended. So from here it have to bounce back to a certain extent, at least 100 to 150 points bounce back I expect. So from here for 25,110 if you buy, next to 5 minutes 210 is a high. Second 5 minutes, that is in 10 minutes, it went to 25,300. So you're making a 200 points profit in a matter of 10 minutes. If you buy an option at the money option, your profit will be 50% of the bank nifty move. That is the delta or whatever things they give. They can give a lot of names like that, and nobody will understand if we talk delta or gamma or anything like that. So here in the simplified way, here from 25,110, it went to 25,314 in a matter of just 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes, 200 points bounce back. Why? Because Bank Nifty was trading 350 points or 60 points below the average of that particular time. So this 200 points move. In this 200 points, we can easily make 100 points in the at the money. So even if you are not making 100 points, you can comfortably come out for 30 to 40 points. That means if you take one lot, it is 1,000 rupees profit. Your investment is just 10,000. So these things are very comfortable things, but we don't use all these things. We don't watch all those things. Whenever it is breaking the low, you keep on selling. Whenever it is breaking another low, you keep on selling. So it's not like that. We should see how far it is below the average at that particular time, and what is the actual volume happen. So each and every day volume theory changes. According to that, we have to do some entries. So this is the way you have to identify. I had given a small briefing because it is a big, what's it? It's an ocean like that. Every day we have to keep on adjusting all those things. But here I am giving how to use these type of entries, which will be definitely useful for your trading aspects.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Can you understand? I mean, what all things you got? Anybody can explain what I told? What you learned from this? I mean, anybody can brief out in a word or something. Is it useful or what? Hello?
Very useful, sir.
Huh? Okay.
Very much useful.
Okay. But have you ever tried this type of approach, sir, in your experience like this?
Yes, actually tried, but this range 300 to 500 points, this we don't know earlier.
That is what I am telling you.
Yes,
That is my
yes,
theory,
exactly.
bridge theory. The elasticity theory means
Yes.
how much it can move with this much of volume, like that. So that is most important thing we have to analyze. So
This
yeah, tell me, sir.
this ATP also from your previous webinars only we learned.
I gave you, I think so.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Your name, sir?
Somnath Gupta.
Okay, Somnath, sir. Okay, what I'm telling is these are all small awareness. We have to
Yes.
practice it. It won't happen in a day or two. At least you have to practice for 10, 20 days or 50 days or whatever it is. You just take note of all these things. So you will get some clarity, and easily you can make 40 to 50 points in one entry. At least 25 points. See, in option trading, if you get 25 points to 30 points in one entry, it is well and good. With the investment of 10,000, you can do some 2 or 3 trades a day. You are getting 100 points. 2,500 rupees is your profit. So once you are getting thorough, you can try with 2 lots, then you can go with 4 lots, whatever it is. So option writing is a one type of style. Option buying is really a toughest thing, where in my method it is easy. That's all. And everyone knows option buying is a tough thing. But with my way of approach, it is little bit made easier if you identify all those things.
Sir, does this work for equity also? I mean, cash
Everything.
stocks.
Everything. But the range
Okay,
you
sir.
have to find out. For equity, which one you are telling, which company you are telling, for example.
So, like, which has at least like 35 to 40 rupees a day moment.
Which one you are telling, which stock you tell me.
So, like Bajaj Finance and
Okay,
HDFC and
that's what you do. One thing, you from
yes.
tomorrow onwards, from Monday onwards, if you can take some
Okay.
back testing, that is up to you. If not, from Monday, you
Yeah.
just take the LTP of Bajaj Finance. 25, I mean,
Okay.
what's the rate? 4,000? 5,250.
Yes, sir.
5,000.
Yes, sir.
5,000.
5,000.
Okay, we can assume 5,000 is the price. Morning
Yes, sir.
to evening, it may move from 5,000 to 5,300. 300 points move. Okay. For example,
Okay, sir.
around 12 o'clock, if Bajaj Finance is trading around 5,040. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
And average is 5,140
Okay.
Yes.
ATP of that Bajaj. That means it had came down from 5,300 to 5,040. Correct.
Okay.
Came down.
Okay, sir.
So now this Bajaj Finance is trading 100 points below its 200 day, I mean not ATP, from the ATP.
Yes, sir.
100 points is 2%. Usually this type of high beta stocks will go more than 3%. So
Okay, sir.
150 rupees, it may come down from the ATP or it may climb above ATP. This is the range for Bajaj Finance, sorry.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you see 2.5 to 3% below the ATP, you buy.
Yeah.
Immediately you will get more than 0.7% profit in 10 to 20 minutes.
Okay, sir.
You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Whenever
It's clear.
any trade, any equity, F&O futures or Bank Nifty is a different story. Nifty is different. The percentage is different. In Bank Nifty, it is 1%. 350 points is 1%. The 300 is 1%. Whereas in individual stocks, it may move 3% high from the average or 3% below the average. Only that particular time, if it is 3% below the average, you buy. If it is 3% above the average, you sell. You get 0.7% in a matter of 10 to 15 minutes. I am giving the time frame also. So 0.7% profit is a extraordinary profit in intraday trading.
Yes, sir.
And people trade for
Thank you, sir.
0.2%. No. Usually people trade for 0.2%. For 0.7%,
Yeah.
extraordinary. That means 35 points move, you can catch.
Yes, sir.
You got my point?
Thank
you
you,
see,
sir.
you do some
Yeah, it's clear, sir.
So
Yes, sir. It's
that's what
clear.
I'm telling. If it is 3% below the average, you get 0.7%. If it is 4% below the average, you will get 1.2% profit. If you are entering
Okay.
when it is 4% below the average, you will get 1.2%. And you should note the volumes also that day. Each and every day, the
Yes.
volume theory is also different.
Okay.
So after some time, you will come to know. You try with only one share. Okay, you see how it is
Yes.
bouncing back. Or if you are selling, it is coming down by 0.7%. You see how much time it takes. Then you will come to know my theory is good.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Because
Because usually this happens in Balakrishna Industries.
anything
It gives a good moment.
anything, any script.
Yes,
But you see only the price percentage
Yes, sir.
move, not 40 rupees, 50 rupees. If it is 5,000
Yes,
rupees,
sir. Yes.
50 rupees is 1%. If in
Yes.
Reliance it is 2% to 2.5%. So each and everything have a different. You don't see the numbers 30 rupees, 50
Yeah.
rupees. You just see how many percent it will move above the average or below the average. I'm talking
Okay,
about
sir.
the running ATP at that particular time ATP weighted average. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay then. Thank you. Any
Thank you, sir.
feedback, sir? Anybody any feedbacks? Any question? Because I will conduct once again in a coming time frame. So just to give a small awareness, I will try to give this video.
Okay, very, very good, sir. We have learnt a lot.
Okay, thank you. But you just want to do lot of homework. Don't
Yes, yes.
blindly. You see what all I had given, some inputs I had given. You watch it. You'll get some ideas. Definitely,
Okay.
it will be very useful for you. And
Right.
I am giving advice. I'm taking classes exclusively for option trading, all those things. I am in Coimbatore, in Tamil Nadu. Okay. So my view is I want to give awareness, particularly to give some awareness. People are losing a lot of money. Okay. With or without knowledge, I don't know. So, but this volume theory, nobody is noticing this volume or weighted average. That is why I want to give a little bit importance for these things. Okay. Thank you. Anybody, any questions? It was useful?
Yes,
Can
sir.
you brief current week's Bank Nifty, if you
Yeah,
don't mind?
that's what. So yesterday it went up. And for your information, for the past 10 days from 37,500 to 33,000, the total volume
Yes.
was not that much. So I expect a bounce back up to 34,800 to 35,200 in Bank Nifty in coming week or 10 days.
Oh,
Max.
okay. Okay.
So this is the
Thank you.
bounce back I expect in Bank Nifty. So buy a dips is that for a holding position, not a intraday. I'm talking about holding. So within a week or 10 days, I expect this type of move up to 35,200, maybe another 1,000 points rally I expect as per the last week or 10 days activities.
Yes.
Yesterday and day before yesterday, bottom down and came up. So some support are taken. And definitely people, those who are watching chart, they will give an entry, not today. When it crossed 34,800, they will give buy. But now itself, I am telling my target is about 35,200 or something like that. So 1,000 points rally I expect in Bank Nifty in 1 week time frame. That is my view as per the last week activities. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you
Okay,
once
thank
again.
you, thank you all for joining this meeting. And once again, I'll try to take some other things in a different angle. I'll send the details. You can join, maybe in a week time frame. Okay, then.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you,
I
sir.
upload this in YouTube also. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay.
anybody interested, you can subscribe it so that whenever I do some videos or something, you can see that also. And previous videos also are there in my YouTube channel. So you can see these are all small informative things, and more importantly, it is very, 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 very useful for trading.
Yes, sir.
It is not, I'm not giving any crossover. I'm not talking about any RSI or this and that and all. I don't do support resistance. I'm not talking all those things. I see the reality. Volume is the king always. Okay.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you, friends. We'll join some other time. Thank you.